I'm Chung Nguyen with Notebooks.com, and today we're at the LG booth at CTIA taking a look at the company's smart home. Can you tell us a little bit about what the smart home initiative is?
Absolutely. My name is Martin Valdez with LG Enterprise Solutions, and we have in our smart home a very cool refrigerator. What this does is this gives you an application on your phone that will communicate when the food in your refrigerator is going to expire, what you have left in there, and I can click on some of these using the food manager. There we go. You can see what food you have in here. It'll tell you when stuff's passed, expired, the whole 9 yards. You can create a grocery list if you want. You can select them all. And then you can go back and you can create, it'll tell you recipes, that you can get recipes by what's in the refrigerator itself. So you can do it by course or by ingredient or by how fast you want to cook. Most of us are in a hurry today, so we can do a 10-minute meal. So you've got 5-minute horseradish, lettuce, bacon, eggs. If you want to have just a quick thing, you get. Everybody wants a blackberry mojito. Why wouldn't they? So there you go. There's the ingredients and how to do it. It gives you recipes at the touch of a button. If you're at the store, you're not sure what to go for, use your cell phone to connect to it, and you'll get your grocery list.
Now, Martin, are the recipes stored on the system itself, or are we connecting to the internet?
We're connecting to the food network. The food network is where you're getting your recipes. So
these recipes are constantly updated, so you're not being stuck with stale old recipes that you've eaten 20 times already.
It's the food channel. Yeah, the food channel. It's the constant. As long as the food channel is being updated, you're going to get new recipes. And what the smart application does is it uses the ingredients that you have in your refrigerator and says, hey, by the way, you can create these recipes from what you have in your refrigerator. Everything else is up to you at that point, you know, whether you like to, all that cool stuff. But that's the smart refrigerator. So nice, cool application that keeps you in touch with your food. And we all want to be one with our food, right?
This is the LG refrigerator with like this touchscreen interface here, but you can control this. You don't even have to walk up to your fridge. You can control it from your LG smartphone, right?
Absolutely, yeah, definitely. So when you're at the store, you're not sure where you forgot your grocery list, that's okay. Use this application on your smartphone and talk to your refrigerator. Your refrigerator will tell you what you have that's going to expire, what you need to buy, and the ingredients that you are missing from certain recipes based on what you have in your refrigerator.
And this is controlled on an Android smartphone, I'm assuming?
Yeah, an LG Android smartphone. It's any Android smartphone will work with the application going forward once it's released.
I know you guys have a lot of cool appliances, but before we jump to that, can you tell us about how the technology works?
How the technology? I don't understand how the technology works. I'm not a developer, but
like how your smartphone can connect to the fridge, and do you have to be on the same network?
I apologize. That part I got. Yeah, absolutely. So it's using Wi-Fi when you're at home. You can use Wi-Fi, and there's also a cloud that's using the application to talk back and forth, and that they're both going to. Beyond the details of how that works, I don't have that information.
But you don't have to be on the same Wi-Fi network to connect, or do you?
From what I was told, you don't have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Things may change, but right now they said that they're creating, the application reaches up to the cloud server and communicates that way.
Awesome. Let's move on to the next appliance.
Absolutely. We have the LG washer and dryer, if you will. We have what's called smart diagnosis installed in these things. So what that means in essence is that your cell phone can talk to your appliances and tell customer care what's wrong with them. So diagnosis and troubleshooting with the press of the button. You'll see it right here. Smart diagnosis. Press and hold the power button. You can have put your cell phone up to the machine while it's listening. It'll send the information and tell them what's wrong with it. So now it's no more second visits by support guys. They'll come with the right product right away and fix your machine in half the time it used to take.
And again, same Wi-Fi connectivity.
Well, this is using mobile. This is using mobile service, so it's making a phone call. Okay. It's making an actual phone call to customer service and sending the data that way through
your cell phone?
Through the cell phone, through the network. Through the
so you do need a cell phone.
So you need a cell phone connection. It doesn't do it through Wi-Fi. It's actually making a phone call to customer care.
Awesome. So you don't even have to punch in the digits yourself.
Nope. You just press. I'll show you. I'll show you on the phone here. We'll show you on the phone and how exactly you can see if you press this button right here. Smart diagnosis comes up. It's listening. It's recording, and then it's sending it via an MMS message.
Great. Anything else you've got?
We've got the Robo King. The Robo King makes cleaning the house lots of fun. You can use the handset to control it, like a remote control car, if you will. You can use the cell phone to set the time of day you want it to clean, the portions of the house that you want it to clean, and just use the front security camera as a way to monitor what's going on in the house or see what's in the way of the RoboKing, what's blocking it.
Can you show us the cell phone interface? And
Absolutely. Come on, let's take a look. Definitely. So here's the application we're going to connect. Now this has to be on a Wi-Fi network because you're communicating with it at the home. There's ways to get a hold of it on the outside to check things out. Being at CTIA Enterprise here, Wi-Fi is not the strongest, but hopefully we'll be able to connect to it so I can show you the interface. So far we're having connection issues.
And this is on your 3D capable smartphone, is that correct?
Yes, this is on the LG Thrill 4G at AT&T. 3D without glasses, awesome device. And since it's not working, I'll show you. There's the application right there. Here's your 3D without glasses.
But basically, the application will allow you to, turn the RoboKing automated vacuum cleaner.
Absolutely.
And steer it like you would a car.
Yeah, it's got the joystick and the remote control on the device, but it looks like our Wi-Fi signal is weak due to the convention and everything that's going on here. Yeah, it doesn't want to connect.
So basically, these are the 3 appliances, right?
Yes, absolutely. These are the 3 appliances for smart home that we're showing here. We have other things like an oven that you can control and turn on from your mobile phone. We have very cool stuff for the smart home. We have a smart closet that actually irons your clothes for you via steam. And here is the application for the refrigerator. I'll show you. So you can get to your refrigerator, smart diagnosis. All of this smart diagnosis is coming for all of our home appliances. There's the refrigerator. There's the washer and dryer. So when you press it, diagnose it, front load, press the power, and then record. Once you hit record, it's an MMS message that you send to your customer care, and they tell you exactly what's wrong with it.
So it looks like it's almost like a voice recorder when you're hitting record. Is the washer sending out some sort of audio signal that the phone interprets and picks up?
I think of it as like the way a fax machine works. It sends off the binary codes the way that machinery does, and then you send it as an MMS message or as a phone call.
So it's like a secret Morse code or something.
It's a secret binary Morse code that only machines know how to decipher. But once the machines decipher it, then we get the text and the words, and we know how to fix the machinery.
Is it audible to you, or is it
I don't think. Well, it'll sound like the old 56K modem sound, and the fax machine sound. It's that kind of thing. Throwing that
so
out
it is
there.
an audible thing.
It's an audible thing that you can hear. Yeah, it's not so audible that only dogs can hear it. We can actually hear the machines talking to each other.
Great. And can you just briefly sum up some of the applications and how this will benefit consumers in the long run, and will we see more of this in middle-class homes?
So these are just a few of the LG smart home innovative technology that we have. You're going to see a lot more coming, whether it be your oven, whether it be your washing machine, your dryer, your refrigerator. Everything's starting to work simultaneously and simpatico with each other when it comes to mobile phones and appliances. So it's truly LG being innovative and combining all of their technologies to give the consumers the experiences that they're looking for, that they want, and that maybe they need. All in one convenient package via your cell phone or any of your appliances. So whether the need be for you to keep in touch with your food, keep your washer and dryer ship shape, or to keep your floor clean, LG has what you're looking for.
Great. Thank you so much, Martin.
Yeah, my pleasure.